There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2023 Dodge Challenger GT Hemi Orange in granite. With HID headlamps, performance hood with heat extractors, 20-inch aluminum wheels, orange brake calipers, high-performance suspension, heated and ventilated front seating, flat bottom steering wheel, 34,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, remote start system, 9 Alpine speakers with subwoofer, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number D7313.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.